Come by too.
Como ça va, you too? Danny and Colt here with Cajun Hydroponics. Today we are in the #1 greenhouse and we pruning tomatoes. So easy, a 5-year-old can do it, huh, buddy? That's right. So we're gonna show you how we pruning it up and stringing them up.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna do this one right here, buddy.
Right here?
Nope, this one. Pile, boy. Now what we do with it? Throw it in the pile. Got the best helper ever. Then we're gonna do this one.
Yeah.
Yep, up a little bit. Next one over. Down, down. No, ball. Right here, this one.
I did.
Turn it. Not my finger. Right there. There you go. We'll throw that one away. Then we got one more. Right here. Come around. Come around. This side. This one. Right here.
Right here?
Yep. Let's look. Turn it the other way like I told you. There you go. There you go. Good job.
You go ahead.
You see, it was that easy. Even a 5-year-old can do it, huh, Cole? That's right. Tell them bye.
Bye.
What you say?
Go to
South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. Get them kids out in them gardens with y'all. Y'all grow that later.
bye.